Hey everyone, I'm Kyle from the Gwinnett County Public Library, and today, with the help of my daughter Ella,
Hi.
we're going to show you how to transform her brother Dustin into the Emperor Palpatine from the Star Wars franchise. So let's get started. Begin by rimming the eyes with red, brown, or black. You can use a Q-tip or a makeup applicator, but I found that fingers work the best. Next, apply school glue with a brush forming Palpatine's wrinkles, and then dry with a hairdryer. Using a small brush, apply black or brown into the creases of the dried glue. Finally, apply crayon and black lipstick directly to the teeth. And for the final touch, the hood.
Look what you have made.
If you enjoyed our presentation, log on to gwinnettpl.org to view other virtual summer programs. And while you're there, sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge to earn badges and win prizes. You can also visit one of our 15 locations, open Monday through Saturday, 10 to 5, and Sunday noon to 5.